After 5 days of kapa haka at Gisborne's Rugby Park, a national winner has been crowned. Te Kura o Te Teko, Ngā Taiohi are this year's national primary school champions for Te Mana Kuratahi 2017. And in third place is local team Te Kapa Hurutea o Horouta Wananga. 57 teams from throughout Aotearoa competed for the national title. It's been 5 full-on days of haka and hosting guests from around the motu. Taharaka Stewart, rongo whakaata leader and one of the tutors of local team Te Kura o Manutuke, says it has been an honour to host the festival here in Tairawhiti.
What can I say? First and foremost, I like to share my love to our children, our Manutuke children that stood today. And because that in the last 5-6 months they've been working very, very hard. Lunch times, they've had no lunch times, they've had no afternoon teas. Some of them had no weekends. So I'm very, very proud of our children, of our relations, Sean, and it's a big thing to be standing up in front of hundreds and thousands of people.
Rick Painga is the tutor of local team Te Roopu Kapa Haka o Puhi Kaiti from Kaiti School. He says it's been a great opportunity to be able to sing songs and do haka about our local ancestors and histories.
Kia ora tātou e te whānau. It's been really great to have the Kapa Haka Nationals here in Tairawhiti, being hosted by Tairawhiti. It means for the local groups that we have the luxury and the honour of writing about our own ancestors and showcasing our wonderful and our richness of our stories to the rest of Aotearoa. So that was really exciting. The other really good thing was we didn't have to worry about accommodation and transport going to other rohe. And it was really nice to be able to welcome the rest of Aotearoa here to our beautiful city of Tūranga, Te Tairawhiti. So, kia ora.